to show you a basic introductory video on GeoGebra, and I'm going to show you how to use GeoGebra Classic, which is down here. So if you Google GeoGebra, you go to GeoGebra Classic, it will bring you to this page. And before I even continue, I should say one of the easiest things to do is to grab a mouse to do this. We are studying linear equations, so I just wanted to show you, if you have something like y equals negative 1/2 x plus 4, you can see what it looks like. And what's more is, it'll tell you, if you go to here, what the slope is, and we know it's negative 1/2, so if I click on this line, it'll tell you the slope is negative 0.5. I don't really like how they put it's supposed to be rise over run. This looks like it's run over rise, but that's fine. Now if I do y equals 2x minus 6, it gives me this line. And one of the nice things about this is if you click on the line, no, here it gave me the slope. And I made a mistake because I clicked on it twice. You have to be sure to keep using these functions up here. So if I click on the line, and then I click over here, it'll let me change the color. So that sometimes helps keeps things organized. And then if you want to identify the point of intersection, oh actually, you know what, I think they even have, yeah. So it says select intersection of two objects successfully. So if I said this object and this object, it will tell you what the point is. And I think, and I could be wrong, but let's see, what if I were to change this, and it tells you the intersection point is 4, 2. If I were to change this to +6, they won't let me do that. Alright, well, and that's it, basically, is what I wanted to show you, though. Oh, it does let you do that. And look, it changes the intersection point. Obviously went up to 4.8. And 3.6. And you can see 4.5, 4.8, and 3.6. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, that's it. Like I said, all I did was I went down into input and I just wrote in what my equation was. Y equals 2x minus 1. And you'll get another line. I was going to say, sometimes you hit new if you want to just clear everything out. And I'm not going to save anything. And it all pops up again. And if you want to get rid of this, click on here, and hit close, and it makes the whole screen much bigger. And that's it. Alright. Oh, actually, why don't we do one more? If I do a point, I do another point, what you can do is you can always say, here's my line, I'm going to connect these 2 points, and then I'm going to find out what is the slope of this line. And it looks like the slope is 1, which makes sense because I'm going, oh, it'll make sense when I zoom in. It looks like I'm going up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. And it also looks as though I'm going through the y-axis at -8. So if I were to type in, let's see if I can type it in now, down here, y equals 1x minus 8, sure enough, it's the same line. Alright, that's it. I hope that's useful.